What's good, family? Today we're gonna talk about the Jordan 3 Fears that released yesterday. I've been meaning to make the on-feet review for this colorway because this is one of my favorite threes that released this year. So I'm gonna be breaking these down, throwing them on feet, showing you guys what they look like from all the little details, price point, whether or not I feel like these are gonna go up in the long run, all that coming up. If you guys end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Let's see if we could get this to 100 plus likes. Also, subscribe to the channel while you're down there. We're on road to 23,000 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who has been supporting the channel lately. It does not go unnoticed. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. That's why I've been going so hard, bro. We ain't gonna stop anytime soon, so make sure y'all subscribe. For now, we got the Jordan 3 Fear. Let's start with the box, then we'll get into the sneakers. Front of the box has a quote that was used by Michael Jordan on a commercial, if I'm not mistaken. When you break it down, it says, "I'm scared of what I won't become, and you're scared of what I could become," pretty much. Box is fire. I love the fact that they did this font on the Jordan 3 box. Orange Jumpman does have that gradient you see on the sneaker. I got these in a size 9.5. Color code is Night Stadium Total Orange. As far as the box goes, that's pretty much it. Now let's get into the kicks. Being Fear 3s, if you guys don't know or you're new to the sneaker game, these came out in 2013 in a pack of 3 different sneakers. It was the 3s, 4s, and the 5s. Out of all 3 colorways, 4s have to be my favorite by a mile. I'm not gonna lie. I love all the different gray tones they used on it. It's just a perfectly laid out sneaker. This would be my second pick out of the 3. The 5s, a lot of people do like them. For me, it's not my favorite. These 3s go crazy, bro. Look at the gradient on that midsole. It's so clean in my opinion. Almost that same style gradient they used on the J Balvin's QC sticker on the box, as well as the stamp. The paper has the same quote that was on the box. "I'm scared of what I won't become, you're scared of what I could become" type beat. But we got the kicks. These are actually a banger coming out of 2023. We've had a pretty solid amount of Jordan 3s from the reimagined 3s. One of my favorite 3s they released this year. Honestly, top 10 sneaker of the year without debate. They dropped the J Balvin's, which are a masterpiece. I'm still gonna need to cop those. There's just too many sneakers on my radar right now, from the Born and Raised Dunks, SB4s, Medellin, Jordan 3s. Those are 3 that I need to get from this year. Whether I come back to them next year, I think I'm still gonna pick one of those 3 up before the year is over. Let me know in the comments which I should buy. Low-key leaning towards the Born and Raised first because I have a lot of Jordans, so I want to add some SBs. We'll get there when we get there. And we obviously have the Fear 3s, which are a masterpiece of a sneaker in my opinion. All those orange hits, just a solid ass colorway. We're gonna go over all the details starting from the outsole and working our way up. Outsole for these is predominantly black or like a really dark gray. Then you get that total orange up here and spelling out Jordan. Going up to the midsole, you have this light gray color. It's almost like that Dawn Amamanier type of gray where it's not a flat white. On the midsole, we also have the gray leading into that black color, going all the way around, fading back into that gray. They also have that speckle paint, which I love. The inside has that total orange color. The elephant print on this pair is black and gray, background being black, and then the little cracks being gray. I feel like they did pretty good on the emphasis for the elephant print on this pair. Around the back, you got that air in that total orange color. Eyelets have that total orange hit, kind of like the cool grays. Also gray on these eyelets. You get the black suede on this panel, as well as the tongue does also have that orange Jumpman. There's an orange Jumpman on the insole. A different feature on these is like this cracked style suede. Has a rougher texture to it. You can see it's a little glossier than this nubuck or suede, whatever y'all want to call it. Suede is definitely sueding, bro. The nubuck is nubucking on this. It got that motion in the ocean type of feel to it, that brush ability. You do get this black around the ankle collar, which I do like. It ties it in. It just makes it feel smooth. You know what I mean? It's clean. Slight bars. That's low-key pretty much it for the details. One thing they did switch on this pair was the insole for the 2013 pair actually had the same quote that we saw on the box. Would have been hard if they kept it true true to the OG in that aspect, but it's still a clean sneaker nonetheless. You don't even get to see that shit. The retail for these is $210. They released yesterday. I pulled up to JD and I saw that they had a lot of kicks, the Mauvs, elephant print 1 highs. They still have the Royal Reimagines, which are fire in hand. I love this pair. Definitely had to pick those up for retail. They might hit outlets though, low key. Wheats, bro, I bought these off one of my homies in high school for $5. $5, bro. Clean ass sneaker. These 4s go hard too. Honestly, in hand, I was debating on picking them up. I got way too many expenses right now, so I ended up leaving them, but it's a beautiful sneaker in person. For retail, banger. Not gonna lie to y'all. Cardinal 7 sitting forever. Those gonna be sitting for life. Mids, we don't care about no mids, but the Fear 3s were sitting, bro. They're just sitting. They're sitting on Sneakers app. They're sitting in stores. Whatever store you go to is gonna have this pair, and it's crazy to see. Definitely crazy to see. It's a beautiful shoe, but nobody wanted it. These might hit sales, bro. So if y'all want them, just wait and you might save yourself $150. This is a solid ass pair. I honestly had to cop these. I've been wanting them for years, and the fact that I got my hands on them at a pretty good price early at that. Love the place that we are in sneakers. If you want a pair of kicks, you could literally go days later and buy them, unless obviously it's a collab like the Dusk Jordan 5s. But these are hard, bro. I'm gonna lace them up. We're gonna throw them on feet, show y'all what they're looking like. The usual. These don't come with any extra laces, which is expected on Jordan 3s. Nothing too crazy. If y'all decided to pick these up when they drop, let me know in the comments. Also, if you're waiting for these to go on sale, let me know as well. I don't know if these are gonna go on sale. I honestly think they will, but I can't put my finger on it. If y'all want these, definitely get them before it's too late. There's just way too many releases, and people are gonna sleep on this one because they're gonna pick up the I'm in Year 5s, Gratitude 11 DMPs. There's just a lot releasing, from the Powerpuff SBs, Reverse Grinch Kobe's, bro. It's literally back-to-back non-stop heat that we're getting. So you gotta kind of pick and choose what you want to pick up, and it's respectable, bro. We also got Christmas gifts on the way. There's a lot going on, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So it is what it is, bro. These shits are fire though. Let's not get this shit twisted. Jordan 3 Fears have officially entered the chat. Let me know if you rate this higher than an 8. I rate these a 9 out of 10. It does have nostalgia tied in for me, since I did camp out for the Jordan 5s. Couldn't get the 4s, couldn't get the 3s, but I got the 5s. Ended up flipping it. I was in high school, you feel me? I needed a little extra cash on top, but in retrospect, I wish I would have kept them, because I actually picked up a size 10, which is now my size. I had the black grapes. I copped a bunch of kicks in size 10s back in the day, not knowing that I was gonna become a size 10. Stressed, bro. It is what it is. But Jordan 3 Fears, let's lace these babies up, or loosen them up, because they're yoked up right now. Then we'll throw them on feet and get straight up out the building.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true.
If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Let's try to hit at least 100 likes on this video. Also, subscribe for more early sneaker content. We got a bunch of heat on the way. DMPs are literally sitting right there. I know there was an early release. The official drop is still not here, so I am gonna do a review for those coming soon. If I could get my hands on another early pair, I definitely will. Just let me know in the comments what y'all would like to see early, so I make a wise decision to pick up what y'all want to see. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Thank you for all the support you've been giving me lately. It does not go unnoticed, for real, for real. I gotta make sure I say that shit in every video, cause y'all been going crazy, bro. Dead ass. But if y'all enjoyed this video, bro, y'all know exactly what to do. Have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. And shit, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Matter of fact, I'm gonna catch you in one of these 2 videos, because that's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. Don't let me down on now, bro. If you made it to this part of the video, leave a like, click one of these 2 videos, and I'm gonna catch you there. We got the review for the Dawn Jordan 5 Armagnacs and the Dusks. Bruh, check that out. We've been going hard, and it ain't gonna stop. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.